Hi, my name is Mauricio Crispin, and in today's video I'm going to show you a short tutorial on Samsung DVM Pro 2.0 software. First of all, I apologize for my English and also for the mistakes I'm sure I'm going to make throughout this video. This program is one of the best software available for calculation VRF systems. In addition of being very easy to use, it is capable for calculating both small and more complex systems, both of one in a very practical way. So let's start our tutorial. Our first step is to download the software from the page on Samsung. The page address is dvmpro.mkt.samsung.com/portal/. It is necessary to register, and then in about 2 or 3 days you will receive by email the authorization to download the program. Then just install, update, and then you are ready to carry your first project in VRF. As I said, our first project will be a very simple system using 5 HP outdoor units and 4 indoor units. In the living room we will have a 2.5 HP 4-way cassette. In the first room 1 HP one-way cassette. In the second room also 1 HP one-way cassette. In the last room 2 HP one-way cassette. The 5 HP outdoor unit will be at the balcony. Okay, so let's start designing our project. I hope you have already downloaded, installed and updated your software, and then now we can use it. Here's my software. We need to wait a little bit. You need to change your password. Choose your design country. In our case will be Brazil, and then we're gonna enter in the sales mode. Here's the configuration menu. The language, you can choose your language. The design country. The name that the software will put in the indoor units, in the system, in the room. Outdoor combination ratio. And you can set here the units. For the pipe length, you're gonna use meter. For the piping diameter, we're gonna use inches. Length in millimeters, altitude in meters, area, square meter, cubic volume, cubic meter, pressure, cooling capacity, BTU per hour, and it's okay. First, we're gonna start our new project. Project name, tutorial. Tutorial. Name X, contact 000, email, address, and the designer information. Here you put your information because you are the author of the project. Okay? Our country, Brazil. The city, we're gonna choose São Paulo, and then okay. First of all, our system will have just one floor. And then it's important to us to click here in building basic design to delete all the information from floors in this system. Building basic design. Ask to us, the building information floor room of the project will be deleted. Would you like to proceed? Yes. And then now I have just one floor. Add the system. System 1. Project group. VRF. Refrigerant type. OK. Then here I have in the picture outdoor unit, and here or an indoor unit or piping material. Our first item will be necessary a piping material. Just if we have just one indoor unit, here could be an indoor unit. Let's go again for our project. Here is the outdoor unit, 5 HP, and then here's the piping. The piping go out of the condenser, go 3 meters up and then 1 meter horizontally. Here we have a Y joint, here another Y joint, another Y joint. 3 meters for the first indoor unit, 5 meters for the second Y joint, 3 meters for this Y joint. Let's go for our software again. Our first element will be a piping material. What kind of piping material? A Y joint. Click here, left button of the mouse, and then here. Our first piping are 3 plus 1 meter and 2 curves. Okay? 4 meter, 2 curves or elbows. For my first unit here in the living room, I have 2 pipe HP, 4-way cassette. And then we can put here indoor unit. We can choose here cassette, 4-way cassette. Search. .5 HP is this 24,000 BTUs here, and then how many meters? 3 meters. Okay, but I have 1 curve here. We can change the name for indoor unit 1 or living room. Okay. Now we can put another Y joint. For the second Y joint, we have 5 meters, 1 curve. Five, 1. Okay. You can go for the third Y joint. In the picture, again 3 meters without curves. Okay. For the room 1, we have 1-way cassette with 1 HP. Search. It's that one. 6 meter, 2 curves. 6, 2. I can pick 1 unit here and put here, but I can copy. Right button of the mouse, copy, paste. Okay. I'm gonna change the name of this indoor unit from room 1 this here 6, 2, room 2, and the last one is 6 meter 2 8P cassette. 2 8P cassette is 18,000 BTUs. Here 6, 2, room 3. The mouse wheel is zoom in, zoom out, and now we have to choose an outdoor unit. I have already choose a 5 HP unit, so let's find this one. This kind of unit is DVM S Echo, and we're gonna use a reed pump model. HP Global, search. Here is the 5, I can use a 5 HP or 6 HP, but I use a 5 HP condenser. Then, my pipe diagram is already finished. And let's start calculate our system. Okay, the system is already calculated with each pipe diameter, the total length of the piping, but we have to give another information. Let's gonna see the result. They said here, required accessory front panel has not been selected for the living room. Okay, let's click here, accessory. We have to choose a kind of front panel and wireless remote control. I will choose the wind-free one, is this, and remote control here. Then again another one, front panel and the remote control. For this one again, front panel, remote control. This one, front panel, remote control. I can calculate again our system, it's okay, but I forgot something. I forgot to input the difference level between the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. We need to click here. Our condenser is under the indoor units, okay? Because he's in the floor and the indoor unit is in the roof. So the difference between the condenser is under, we need to choose 3 meter and apply. Calculate again, and our system is finished. Next step is to print the report. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna analyze what information the report give to us, give to our project and to our installation. As we already finish our system, we can print the report. The report is very important because it's there that we can find all the information we need for our installation. Report, default. We can use our logo in the report, and the file type could be Excel or PDF. And then the print format. By integration, when you put all the system together, and by system. By integration, okay. We need to have a name. Tutorial. Okay. Okay, open the file. Here, what we have in the report: the project name, the designer, the abbreviations, equipment list, the outdoor unit, the indoor units, the piping material, wide joint, wireless remote control, front panel, everything you have from material, and the add refrigeration charge. The length of each diameter pipe, the system design condition, the check results of the system, the total charge of refrigerant, our piping diagram, wireless and controller diagram, controller diagram, circuit breaker, one for the outdoor unit and another one for the indoor units, wiring diagram, the specification of each product, all the information you need to start your installation is in the report. Okay, we finish our video, and that's what I have to show to you. And if you like the video, give you a like, subscribe the channel, and see you later in the next video. Thank you very much for your attention again.